Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
There are 3 reliable ways to open a Nissan 370z trunk: remote key fob, interior release, and manual key. On the key fob, press and hold the trunk button for 2 seconds to pop the latch. The vehicle must be unlocked for remote release to work. From inside the cabin, use the interior trunk release button located near the center console or driver door area while the car is unlocked. If electronics fail, remove the key from the fob. Insert the mechanical key into the trunk lock and turn clockwise to open manually. The Nissan 370z trunk includes a glow-in-the-dark emergency release handle designed to open the lid from inside. If someone is trapped, reach for the handle, pull firmly, and the latch will free so the trunk can be pushed open. This handle is required to be visible and operable. If electronics fail and you cannot access the interior, use the mechanical key in the trunk lock or fold down the rear access if equipped. If the occupant cannot reach the handle, call roadside assistance immediately for safe extraction. When the trunk stops responding, start simple. Check the key fob battery and replace it with a CR 2032 coin cell if range or button response drops. Confirm the vehicle is unlocked and then inspect the trunk fuse as listed in the owner manual. Replacing a blown fuse can restore power releases. Lubricate the latch annually with white lithium or silicone spray and clean debris from the striker to prevent sticking. If problems persist after these steps, visit a dealer to test the actuator and wiring for faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.